Welcome to week 130 of my renovation here on Iris Street. My name's Adam, and in this week I get some black paint up on the ceilings, I work on my radon mitigation system, and I do a bit of cleaning. So without further ado, let's check it out. Friday starts with a little electrical. This gang box is for the track lights in the gym, which will give me the ability to easily change the lighting as I add and remove gym equipment. I'm getting the ceiling ready for black paint. I want to have all gangs, wires, clips, and braces in place before I break out the spray gun so I can create a sharp, clean-looking black ceiling with one pass of the sprayer. Hey guys, I just had an idea. So this gang box here is originally for an outlet back here behind the fireplace, and that's just to turn the fireplace on and off. It needs an electrical on-off switch. However, since there's going to be built-in bookshelves here, I thought it would be nice to put some RGB cove lighting at the top of them. Well, those lights are going to need power, and although I could use the outlets down here, I'd have to run an extension cord up to them, and I'd still have to have some kind of switch to turn them on and off. So here's the idea. I'm going to install two new outlets, one on either side of the fireplace, right up by the ceiling, that those RGB LED lights can plug into, and this switch will control those. Well, how am I going to turn on the fireplace, you might ask? I'll put in a new switch just on the side of the fireplace, and that will still control that outlet. On Saturday, I tidy a few straggling wires before breaking out my paint gun. I purchased 4 gallons of Behr Marquee matte black paint. Fingers crossed it'll be enough to paint the laundry room and the gym room ceilings. As fate would have it, I should have purchased 1 more gallon of paint, but I got everything done with the sprayer I needed to, and the remaining pieces like this PVC pipe can be finished by hand. I'll have to touch up a few spots of overspray, but all in all, I'm really pleased with the result. On Sunday, my old cross-country teammate Miguel and I head up to Lyons to clock 17 miles. This trail has been closed all winter due to muddy conditions, and it's nice to finally make it out here. Back at the house, I can start wiring up lights now that the ceiling paint has dried. I start in the laundry room with these dimmable 6-inch LED discs. The big job for the day is something that requires a heavy-duty equipment rental from Home Depot. I need to drill the hole in my floor for the radon mitigation system. I'll be able to tap into a French drain installed by the previous owners, which will help get some suction underneath the dense clay soil of the foundation. As an aside, I couldn't get this drill to turn on at first, and after some Googling, I found out that the heavy brush motor of this drill is detected as an arc fault by my fancy new AFCI-GFCI combo breakers, which are something that I have to have for code. So, I swapped out one circuit for an old style breaker, still at the correct amperage of course, and the drill started right up. After all that, I had a perfect core drilled for the radon PVC tube. In the evening, I throw down some fescue seed in my yard. I probably need some compost to top the seed to really get it going, but it was on sale and I figured I'd throw some down to see what happens. continue the day by spray painting can light trim for the gym lights black. For the industrial look of the ceilings to work, everything in the ceiling has to be black. I'm happy with how the gym is turning out. That's a wrap for today. On Monday, I add the roof side vent to my radon mitigation system. While I'm up there, I paint all my vents brown to match the color of the shingles too. Back downstairs, I wire up the first of the gym rail lights. There will be 4 8-foot sections in total that form a square around the room. The first section works as intended. I'll install the rest later. Tuesday is a much-needed cleaning day. I'll be coating the laundry room floor with an epoxy finish and the rest of the basement with vinyl flooring. As such, all surfaces need to be clean of dirt, grease, and especially drywall mud overspray. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching, and until next week, happy renovating.